A lot of people get excited when they see someone with a verified Pi Network account, but then they start thinking, wait, Pi Network has already been listed. It is still possible to join? Yes, Pi Network was listed on 20th February 2025, but the good news is it is still not too late to join Pi Network today. In this video, I am going to show you how I joined Pi Network and passed my KYC in just 30 days, even after the listing, so you can also join and get your own personal verified Pi Network account. If you are serious, make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important step. And if this is your first time on this channel, click subscribe and check the link in the description or comment section to join Pi Network today. You can also join our WhatsApp group on the description or comment section for full guide until your KYC is completed. Now, coming back to the main topic of the day, I joined Pi Network in October 2025 and I was mining consistently. After some time, I noticed that my KYC application submission was open. After I submitted my KYC, this was the status showing. Then in just 30 days, I received an email from the Pi Code team on my Gmail, and here they said, "Dear Emmanuel, your fast track KYC application has been approved. Please sign in to your wallet to activate it on the blockchain." You can see this happened just 2 days ago here in 2026.
I immediately checked my KYC status and you can see that it was fully approved. After that, I was asked to become a validator. I choose to continue, and this is how it works. You can decide whether to become a validator or not, but if you do, you earn additional Pi coins. Then I took the validator quiz. After completing the quiz, you can see the number of validation I passed and the percentage I validated. Once that was done, I activated my Pi wallet for migration, and finally my Pi mainnet checklist. Everything completed and my Pi was successfully migrated. Right now, 1 Pi coin is about 15 cents, but Pi is still early and has a great potential to grow as more people join and the network develops. Some community members talk about the GCV idea, suggesting Pi could one day reach 314,159 per coin. This is not official, it is community conception and a hopeful projection, but it shows the potential upside of being an early participant. By starting your verified Pi account today, you can start earning Pi now, which could be more valuable in the future as the network grows. So guys, as you can see, this process is not difficult at all if you are serious about having your own personal Pi Network account. Don't wait, check the link in the description or comment section to join Pi Network today. Join our crypto community, get step-by-step guidance in our WhatsApp group until your KYC is complete. You can see in the middle of the Pi Network, here you can see Pi KYC migration update, migration unblocked for millions, new palm print authentication, continue validator reward work. So all this show that if you start Pi Network today, you can verify your account and migrate your Pi. So as I said, check the link in the description section or comment section of this video and get your Pi account verified today. See you guys in my next video.